Pill's 3D Icon Pack is an Android application designed to personalize and enhance the visual aesthetics of smartphones through a distinctive collection of icons. This app caters to users who appreciate a unique and playful design, featuring icons that resemble colorful pills, giving a fun and creative twist to their device. Key features of Pill's 3D Icon Pack typically include a wide variety of high-quality icons that showcase a smooth 3D appearance, often incorporating vibrant colors and playful shapes. These icons usually cover numerous popular apps and functionalities, ensuring comprehensive customization options for users. The app is generally compatible with various popular launchers, allowing for easy and seamless application of the icons on home screens. Additionally, Pills may offer matching wallpapers and widgets to create a cohesive and visually appealing experience. Overall, Pill's 3D Icon Pack is an excellent choice for users looking to infuse their Android devices with a creative and whimsical aesthetic that stands out.